Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADXS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis last week, so that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But today the price went boom, so definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just do a little house clean and get rid of that line. Sure, it still pertains, it's just not relevant anymore, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So first update though that does need to be made comes about right here at this red line at 32 cents, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support and resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them, or excuse me, when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 32 cents, one of the newest areas of support. The ideal level of support, I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 38 cents. With that being said, if the price does fall below 38, by no means am I saying that implies the entire chart is broken or ruined or anything like that. But that would just be the preferable level. For more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line down here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at, the party stopped today up there at the 44-cent mark, so nothing complicated at all. So that'll just simply be where the current battleground is going forward. So public enemy number one, 44 cents going into tomorrow. But anyway, you look at it, nice movement today, great way to start off the week. And as long as the price starts chipping away and building higher lows, that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.